Exciting news for PayPal stockholders. No, fortunately, the stock is not at $100, not yet at least, but we've got some great news with regards to PayPal, the business. Alex Chriss, CEO of PayPal, had a chat with Goldman Sachs, talked about the current state of PayPal, what they've been working on, what's coming up, what's going live right now, new partnerships, etc., etc. So let's talk about all of that. Now, for those that still don't know, PayPal right now has a market cap of $71 billion and a forward PE of just 15.4 times. Year to date, it's up close to 13%. Quarter to date, it's actually up closer to 20%. But of course, in the last 5 years or so, stock is down 32%. And it has been left behind, let's say. And in the last 2.5 years, shares outstanding have come down by close to 13%. They're buying back quite a lot of shares, and as long as the stock doesn't move much, the market cap stays around $60-70 billion, they can acquire close to 8-9% of the company each year with the current free cash flow. If we currently look at forward PE, EV to EBITDA, price to sales, price to free cash flow implies earnings to growth, it's all much lower than the 5-year mean. And of course, the 5-year mean, you have to take into consideration the period of the pandemic. But if you look at price earnings to growth, it sits at 1.19. Not that expensive at all. You know my view on PayPal. It's a pretty big position right now for me as well, a long-term position. I'm very, very bullish on the company, especially because Alex Chriss did come in, changed the whole management team, changed the whole way PayPal is operating inside and now outside as well. Great things to come. Yes, of course, it's been dead money for a while. I'm still up, like I said in the previous video, even though some people don't believe me. My average is under 60. I've actually added a little bit, so a bit closer to 60 right now. So I'm quite comfortable to wait, because if this thing does go to 100 or 150 or 200 in the long run, right, with the advertising business, with free cash flow being actually improving year over year and not staying flat, then I do think that eventually we could reach those prices. When? I don't know. If I knew, I'd be quite rich, but that's not the case just yet. Anyways, before continuing, if you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, we really appreciate that. If you want to support me even further, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment with the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Thank you very much. Now, before starting, a quick reminder here. This is basically PayPal's TPV, total payment volume, throughout the last couple of years. So yes, despite all the competition, everybody's coming to take PayPal's money, well, TPV has continued to increase each and every year. Free cash flow, like I said, it's been flat-ish for a long time, and too long, in my opinion. That should change. Then, moving to the other aspect that, of course, was a problem, still is a problem, and that's transaction take rate that has come down from 2.3% here in Q4 2019. We're now at 1.7%. It's coming down much slower right now, but would like to see a bottom sometime soon. As for two positive things here, one, transaction margin dollars have gone up. Transaction margin has come up as well last quarter, but as you can see here, total take rate came down, transaction take rate came down as well. And so let's start with the Venmo part of the business. These were the things that were mentioned during that conversation. So Venmo's popularity has skyrocketed, with a 30% increase in both Pay with Venmo and Venmo Debit usage in Q2. This growth is fueled by its user-friendly interface, social features, and integration with popular messaging apps. PayPal is now prioritizing Venmo's monetization, recognizing its untapped potential. Previously, Venmo had been primarily focused on user growth and engagement. Venmo's strength lies in its social aspect. PayPal aims to foster stronger connections between users and small businesses. This includes initiatives like the Seattle pilot program, which explores new ways for Venmo users to interact with local merchants. I mean, if you can find stuff on the app, on Venmo, pay for it, get rewards, that's basically closing in on the, let's say, everything e-commerce app, payment app. With regards to the new advertising campaign called PayPal Everywhere, so PayPal offers a comprehensive solution for both Venmo and PayPal, seamlessly integrating online and offline transactions. This enables customers to use PayPal for a wide range of purchases, from online shopping to in-store purchases. Groceries and gas are the top categories for 5% cashback, indicating growth acceptance of PayPal in everyday purchases. This suggests that PayPal is successfully penetrating new markets and becoming a more integral part of customers' daily lives. As for global expansion, so as NFC technology becomes more prevalent, PayPal plans to expand its PayPal Everywhere initiative to new markets. This will enable more customers around the world to benefit from PayPal's reward program and convenient payment options. Like I said, this is just the start. As for the CEO's vision, it's been 1 year since he joined PayPal, so PayPal's CEO is pleased with the progress made in the past year, highlighting a world-class team, improved organizational focus, and successful innovation. This strong foundation sets the stage for continued growth and success. The company has narrowed its focus to a few key areas, resulting in significant improvements. By concentrating on these strategic priorities, PayPal can allocate resources more effectively and drive meaningful results. Remember, the focus is on profitable growth. As for Braintree, Braintree has secured a substantial number of high-value customers, including leading e-commerce platforms and online merchants. These partnerships provide Braintree with a strong foundation for growth and expansion. Conversations with merchants are now centered around value rather than solely on volume. This shift in focus reflects Braintree's commitment to providing merchants with high-quality solutions that drive tangible business benefits. Braintree is offering additional services like Fastlane, foreign exchange, and a risk as a service to enhance its value proposition. These additional services provide merchants with a comprehensive suite of tools to manage their payments and reduce risk. I think Braintree has been a drag on margins, but I think we've hit bottom and the only way is up. Yes, I know I sound extremely optimistic and bullish, but that's because I am. As for the future outlook, PayPal remains committed to growth and is actively exploring opportunities for expansion. The company's strong financial performance and strategic focus position it well for the future growth. PayPal is investing in AI and automation to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. That's very good to hear. This will enable the company to allocate resources more effectively and enhance profitability. PayPal's partnerships with Fiserv and Adyen, and Shopify as well, by the way, are crucial for expanding the reach of Fastlane, its guest checkout solution. These partnerships provide PayPal with access to new markets and distribution channels. As for the advertising opportunity, PayPal's unique position in the market will allow it to offer highly targeted advertising solutions to merchants by leveraging its vast customer data and insights. PayPal can help merchants reach their target audience more effectively and drive conversions. When you own the whole ecosystem, when you own all the data, well, you don't own all the data because you do have to ask permission from your users. I mean, you're in a pretty good position. And remember, advertising is a very high margin business. For example, Uber, I think last year or so, the advertising business generated $1 billion in revenue. I think PayPal could easily achieve $1 billion, if not more, in the coming years. Add all of that to the amount of money they're already making right now, cost cuts, efficiencies, growing Venmo, Braintree. I mean, why not be bullish on PayPal? That's my question. Other than the stock not moving, we've talked about that with SoFi as well. Bad stock, good company. PayPal, not so great stock right now, but I think it's a very good company under Alex Chris's leadership. Now, if you look at the graph right now, it does seem like, $75 or so, which we hit at the end of August, seems now like a small top. I hope we can finish the week above the 20-day moving average, which sits at, $69.56, so very close to where we're at right now. The 50-day one sits at $66.45, and the 200-day one at $64.14. So overall, all great commentary by the CEO, great information that we've got there. The best is yet to come for PayPal. If you're patient, if you have a long-term investing horizon, I think you will be rewarded quite handsomely. But that's just my opinion. That's where my money is. Of course, I can be completely wrong, can be completely right. Hopefully, I'll be right. Anyways, that's all I've got for you right now. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.